Get ready to turn your truck bed from looking like this into looking like this. Tightly thread the now mixed can from step 2 onto our Schultz-style spray gun, or apply the mixture using your preferred applicator, such as a paintbrush or a roller. Remember to use the recommended protective equipment. Attach the spray gun to a compressor hose set at 35 to 50 psi using a pressure regulator. Adjust as needed depending on the output. Lower pressure will produce rougher texture compared to the higher psi, resulting in a finer texture. Apply each coat evenly with passing sweeps as you move from new surface to surface. Maintain an equal spraying distance as you protect uncovered areas of the surface you were spraying. Repeating the mixing process for new bottles as needed, but try not to interrupt the application until the entire job is complete. One coat is extremely durable, but applying a second or third coat guarantees even thicker coverage and strength. Apply your finishing touches and enhance remaining surfaces to use the rest of your mixture. Now you're ready to move on to the last steps.